is Debi McCarthy. I'm the Global Vice President of Human Resources here at Fix Network. I think a lot of companies these days are looking to see what employees are looking for. I think it's really important. Recruitment has changed over the years. It's not just about money anymore. People are looking for benefits, flexible time, and other things other than just benefits. Connecting with their employers, feeling included, those are all very important qualities or things that you have to do as an organization when you're looking for talent. Yeah, what we're really looking at is where is the talent? And I think that's really important. Competitors or other companies are battling against others to bring in talent. And I think what we have to do is we have to take a step back and look at the world globally. Where is the talent? Why is there such a shortage? And what country should we target if we're going to do immigration? It wouldn't make sense to target a country like Switzerland with 2% unemployment. South Africa has about 33.9% unemployment, so that's something that we should look at. But it's not all about immigration. It's also looking within our country. We have some demographics, some ethnical groups that are having higher unemployment rates for some reason or another, and we should step back and look at that. Is our place inclusive? Are we attracting that talent? For example, Indigenous people, their unemployment rate is 11%, whereas the rest of Canada is at 5.4%. So why are we not going after talent in those areas? So we just have to be a little more strategic when we're looking for talent and really stepping back and making sure we're hunting or looking in the right places to find the talent. A big challenge is we're competing against other countries right now. The US's unemployment rate is at 3.7. They have about 11 million vacant jobs and only 6 million unemployed people. So they are coming to Canada to take our talent, and their packages are pretty attractive. They're looking at offering visas, higher compensations, benefits, time off, and so it's really tough to compete with that when you have a big country like the US coming in and taking our talent as well. So that's one of the big challenges. The other challenge is there's just not enough people. We have 989,000 approximately people looking for work, and we have over 1 million jobs vacancies right now. And so the scarier piece is if you look at the population, we're going to be in big trouble in 10 years from now when the core groups age 34 to 45 or 65 are going to be retiring. So in about 10, 15 years. And then the 65-year-olds who are working today, but they're actually going to be retiring as well. So the problem is the 18 to 24-year-olds is a very small group. So it's challenging today. It's going to be even more challenging in about 10 years from now, 10, 13 years. I think it's a little easier if you're part of a network because you have a group of support people behind you. So we share resources. We have a hub that we share with our own group of franchisees, different tools. So if somebody finds a good way or a unique way to find talent, we share it on that platform. So I think that makes us a little bit more unique. And when you're an independent and you're working on your own, it's a little more challenging because now you have to find the time to be strategic and try to come up with a plan. Whereas if you're part of a group, you're sharing more information. Yeah, so one thing we did for our network is we put everybody on one central platform with Indeed Central. That is a great resource for our franchisees. As an organization, we do all the designing of the website, the landing page. We create job postings, job descriptions. So a franchisee can simply click in and select a job, and it gets posted. It's a recommended post, they can edit it, and it's a nice tool where it takes that administration part out of recruiting where we do all that work for them.